everyone, I'm excited to show you how I will transform this unripe plantain. Please sit down and keep watching. Thank you. Right, next is the sweet pepper. Yeah, it's been washed and I've taken off the seed as well. And here I've also have my scotch bonnet. I'm using 3. You can use 2 or 1. And I also have my onion. I'm using half of the onion. Right now I'm adding 2 eggs. Right now I'm adding crayfish. Next I'm adding 2 seasoning cubes. Right now I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding 1/4 of the cup. Now I'm adding water, about 200 or 250 ml of water. Now it's time to blend. Right, I've finished blending. Now I'll be testing because I added every ingredient here before blending. Right, it tastes so yummy and a bit spicy. You can add extra salt to taste if you want. Right, now my ramekin, let me prep my ramekin dish. I will start by just applying a little bit of oil. This procedure helps to prevent the moi moi from sticking. So you can see this is very easy recipe of moi moi. If you don't want any stress of washing beans, this is a very easy recipe for you. Right, now I'm just transferring the right, no more stress of complaining I can't make moi moi. It's a very easy step to make unripe plantain moi moi. Right, here I have my boiled egg. I'm just cutting them in half. Right, next I have my smoked mackerel fish, or you can use any fish of your choice. Please don't forget to support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Right, now it's time to put on the lid. I'm just pouring hot water into my cooking pot. This is boiled water. Right. Putting boiled water will make your cooking to be very fast. So I'm just placing them in my pot. And I'll put this to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, while cooking my plantain moi moi, or while making moi moi, I like to place just a bag or leaf on top. That helps it to steam and cook quicker. Please don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you. Wow. I need to check my moi moi and add extra water on the side if needed. There's still more water, but I'm just going to add extra. Just a little bit top up. Right, that's enough. It's been cooking now for 20 minutes. So I'm going to be cooking it for additional 20 minutes. Right, hi guys. Are you still watching? Our unripe plantain moi moi is ready. Once it's ready, you need to set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes before eating. Please don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Right. This is our plantain transformation to moi moi. It's ready. Look at it. Right. If you don't want to stress to wash beans to make moi moi, this is the alternative. You use the unripe plantain. Please don't forget to support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and putting on your notification bell so that you can be first to get notified once we upload new video. Hi everyone. Right, my moi moi is ready. You can eat it by itself, or you can eat it with gari or custard. Here I'll be eating it with gari. This gari, guess what, came all the way from Nkelefi, which is in Kano East local government of Enugu State. Adding a bit of powder milk and water. You can add sugar if you want to. Mix, mix, mix. Right. Look at the moi moi. Did you see that? This is so yummy. Remember the macro fish? Here you go. Got the fish here. This is so nice. I think you should try this at home. I'm taking a bit of the boiled egg. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Bye.